I mean, you know me. Uh, I was supposed to handle Attorney Sulweca, Attorney, how do you pronounce it?
Zulaika.
Attorney Sulaika. Attorney Lopez na lang. I was supposed to handle Attorney Lopez and made a judgment. And upon the control and supervision of the public prosecutors, really became unnecessary. And those of you who know me, and I see many familiar faces here, know that hindi ako maatras at all. In fact, I kill a mosquito with an atomic bomb. This was not necessary here.
So you can confirm, attorney, hindi natakot ang prosecution kay Zulaika Lopez?
Ask and answered, Your Honor.
Okay po. Sige, and lastly, wala naman po naganap na backdoor negotiations, hindi naman umapela ang defense sa inyo internally, privately, na wag nyo nang kunin si Zulaika?
No, not at all. Not at all. In fact, I don't know Attorney Lopez personally. We have cordial relations with the defense counsels, and there was never a discussion on whether to present her or not, or any accommodation to be made as regards her presence here in the Senate. So the direct answer to your question is no, there was no backdoor channeling and walang atras. If you saw social media, sabi nga nila, may bagyong Sara. Inday, bagyong Inday. May bagyong Inday na. And alam niyo naman, lumipas na yung bagyong Inday na yan. Tapos na. Typhoon Josie na ngayon. So, wala nang strength.
Josie? Thank you, ma'am.